Hello, 5th grade, Mr. Mush here. So this week's project, we are working on middle ground, foreground, and background. And we're using Calvin Hobbes' snowman, how he treats the snowman as the catalyst for this. So we're going to draw our own snowman showing foreground, middle ground, and background. So here's my example right here. Okay, so here's the foreground. I got a snowman. He's in a Hawaiian shirt. He's drinking his coconut. All right, and he's in the foreground. He's the biggest. He's closest to us. Then the middle ground right here, I got Eagles snowmen playing a game of catch. Okay, they are a little bit smaller than him, right? And then in my background, I got really tiny snowmen running for their lives from a giant snow monster. And then I have the sunset setting. All right, and then I have hills like that. So if you have colorful paper like this at home, like an icy blue, purple, I would use that so you can use white crayons. If you just have white paper, I'm going to use white paper for this to show you what to do. So make sure your paper is hamburger style, horizontal. All right, I'm going to put my name, and I'm going to flip my paper over. All right, so we're going to start by drawing 3 hills. 1, 2, 3. Foreground, middle ground, background. Okay, so you need to decide what's going to happen on each of these hills. All right, I would say for more action-packed stuff like my monster eating the little snowman, all right, do that in the background. All right, close-ups, like if you want to show this, like your snowman's really cool or something, draw them really big in the foreground. Okay, so I'm going to draw my snowman right here. Okay, I'm going to give him his Hawaiian shirt. He's got his coconut, his umbrella, his straw, right? Flowers on his shirt. Okay. Okay, middle ground, they're going to be a little bit smaller, right? Okay, I'm going to do the Nick Foles. He's throwing the ball to snowman Zach Ertz. Okay, and then the background, I'm going to have really tiny snowmen running for their lives because there's a giant snow-like monster coming to get them. All right, so you have foreground, middle ground, and background. All right, now to color everything in, if you want to draw the sun too, just draw like that. Now if you want to color on the white page, what I would do is take a blue crayon and just lightly add some blue in the snow, just like that, just to give it some icy feel. Or you could add some purple or red purple. It just makes it feel cool. All right, same with the sky. You could do like a purple sky to make it feel cool. Okay, so I'm using a crayon without a wrapper to color it in. Okay, to make it feel like a real winter scene. Okay, and then the same thing on the snowman. Like if I'm coloring the snowman, I'm just going to add a little bit of blue. I'm curving it like that, and then I'm just going to use a white crayon and blend it like that and make it lighter to make it look like it's got some shadow, and it's like, you know, and just to add a little white or color to it to make it feel icy. All right, and that's pretty much it. So then you just color in your picture and make sure you add the little bit of colors to the hill. All right, I know if you're using white paper, just do what I did. Just add a little bit of blue, maybe a little bit of purple to make it feel a little bit icy, and then just shade in even your little guys in the back. Just give them a hint of color and make sure you color in like everything else. All right. So that's what your picture should look like when it's all finished, except you got to color in your sky just like I did. All right. So I hope you have fun with this project, 5th grade. It's a lot of fun. I always enjoy it every year. And I can't wait to see what the funny things your snowmen do. All right? All right, until next time, take care.